Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your phone number on your Binance application. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So once you're logged in, you'll have to tap on the profile icon located in the top right, and once you tap on the profile icon, there's a drop down menu, and from there you need to tap on security. After you tap on security, you have all the information. In the left hand side corner, there's an option as SMS Authentication, so you need to tap on disable, which is right in the corner or just next to it. After you tap on it, on the other interface you'll be directed to security verification. So right over here, what you need to do is you'll have to tap on security verification unavailable, which is right in the corner. Just select your phone number and then tap on confirm reset, which is right at the bottom. So for the identity purpose, a verification code will be sent to your email that is linked to your Binance application. So tap on send code. So then you have to open up your email for the verification code, and once you've received your verification code, make sure to enter the verification code correctly and then tap on submit. So after you enter your verification code, on the other interface you get to reset your phone number. So what you need to do is you have to add a new phone number that you want to link it to your Binance application, and once you enter your phone number, you have to tap on get code, which is right at the bottom, and then do the same procedure, that is enter the verification code right over here. Now the verification code will be sent through your SMS. Once you're done entering your verification code, tap on reset now, which is right at the bottom, and then your phone number has been successfully changed. So that is how you can change your phone number on your Binance application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.